I'll be demonstrating how to assemble the Graco Glider Elite baby swing. Make sure you have the pieces that came in your box and a Phillips head screwdriver. Turn the seat over and remove the bottom of the seat pad. Attach the vibration unit onto the center of the curved seat tube and secure it with 2 screws. Replace the seat pad. Now, with the handle facing you, insert the seat wire into the brackets on the rear of the seat and snap in securely. To attach the legs, insert the leg tube into the hole in the leg bracket. Repeat the process on the other side. Next, you'll insert the leg wire into the leg brace until it snaps into place. Repeat on the other side. To attach the seat pad, look at the bottom of the seat and pull the snaps together over the wire to fasten. Repeat the process with the other strap. Now, fasten the snaps together on the seat pad and the seat pad flap. Finally, fasten the side snaps and closures on both sides of the seat pad. To assemble the frame, lay the feet on the floor and insert the half-moon-like tube with the electronics into both feet. Then, insert the other half-moon-like tube into both feet. Insert one of the screws into the holes in the bottom of the legs. Tighten with the provided wrench and repeat this process with each of the 3 other screws. Please note, your model may not require this step. Look at your instruction manual carefully. To attach the swing arms, insert the single hinge swing arm into the housing with buttons, lining up the holes until they snap into place. Attach the hanger tube with a double hinge until it snaps into place. Fasten the screw through the hanger mount that did not snap into place using a Phillips head screwdriver. To attach the hanger tubes, you'll need the 2 tubes. One has a 6-sided hole and the other has an oval-shaped hole. Insert the hanger tube with the 6-sided hole into the swing arm bracket. Then, insert the other hanger tube with the oval-shaped hole. Now, insert a bolt through the holes in the swing arm bracket and tighten the bolt with the wrench provided. Repeat with the other bolt on the other bracket. Attach the plastic cover over the tubes you just secured. It will snap into place. Once you check that the cover is attached securely, you're ready to install the seat. Insert the seat facing forward into the mounts until it rests into the mounts on the frame. When you're ready to remove the seat, do so using the handle. To install the canopy, fasten the snap and hook and loop tape to both sides of the seat. Fasten the toys onto the canopy with the hook and loop tape. Please read your instruction manual for complete details before using your Glider Elite.